Good evening, friends. In this video, we will discuss how to approach Nifty as it has reached a life high once again. So it reached 22,124.15 and then it again tried to cross that, but it sold off. So now the best way to trade is wait for the Nifty to cross 22,124 immediately with good volumes and then take a positional long. On the other hand, the short-term immediate support is coming at 21,800 for the week and the long-term support stands at 21,000 to 21,200. So this is from the perspective of the chart and also from the option data on Thursday, that is 1st February, 21,700 has seen a straddle. This we can refer from the option chain also. And the upper end of the straddle is coming at 22,037 and the lower end is 21,363. So we can say 21,400 to 22,000 is the range for the Nifty from the straddle perspective. And also from chart perspective, we can say there is a gap at 21,400. So and the resistance at 22,100. So 21,400 to 22,100 remains to be the range. If there is a range breakout on the upside, we can trade on the upside with the positional perspective also. And it should be confirmed with good volumes. That is mandatory. Now coming to Bank Nifty, last week we have seen 47,000 was the resistance and 45,500 was the immediate resistance. And it crossed on Wednesday morning with good OI in the option chart and also good volumes in the Nifty stocks. And then it tried to went to go towards the upper end of the range, 46,900, and then it sold off. So now 47,000 remains a stiff resistance for Bank Nifty. And on the downside, 45,500 followed by 44,700 or 500 will be the support. This is from the perspective of the chart. From the option data, we can see 46,000 is seeing a lot of straddles added for the last 2 days, that is Thursday and Friday. So the upper end of the straddle on Thursday is 46,900 and the lower end is 45,100. On Friday, the upper end of the straddle is 46,800 and the lower end is 45,200. So from chart perspective also, it is very clear that from a straddle perspective also, it is very clear that 47,000 is a very big resistance for the Bank Nifty to cross. Once it is crossed, we can see a sharp up move because there is a gap down. So a lot of sellers, positional sellers are sitting there. They will be closing their position. And on the downside, the straddle positions remains at 45,100 to 45,200. So this remains a support. So overall, we can say 45,000 to 47,000 is the broader range. So within this, the day traders can trade on the either side. So we'll be updating the option levels, Bank Nifty, spot, future levels during market hours or before market hours also. So interested person can join our Telegram group to get that updates. And also, if you are having any doubts, you can contact us on the contact number provided in the description. And also for daily updates, you can join our Telegram group. And coming to this, stocks. So we have been discussing few stocks over the last few days. So IPCA Lab. So what we have mentioned was there was a range in the between 1,060 and 1,160. So there is no point in tracking this. This remains within the range. The next one is Rain Industries. So we updated this 2 weeks back, and now it is at 180. So it was around 160 or 165, and it went up to 188. It's almost 10 to 13% return in 2 weeks. And then it is consolidating. So as of now, we continue to hold this Rain Industries as long as it's not negative news or nothing going wrong for the stock or overall market. So this remains a buy, and we should try to use trailing stop loss to hold on to this portion. And the new one which we have added is Jubilant Food. This is a stock from F&O also. So here we are trying to add one indicator, the moving average. So we will be using 200-day moving average. So here it broke the 200-day moving average with some good volumes you can see on 1st Feb. So the anticipation is there are two ways to trade this. One is this 508 will be acting as a resistance, the 200-day moving average, and then the stock is expected to drift towards 460 on 420 in the coming days, or which is immediately we are expecting this stock to do like this. That is 470 to 460. That is the support zone. Once the volume picks up, the round move can be much bigger. But on the other side, if it starts to close above this 510, that is the 200-day moving average, then The positional sellers will get trapped and they'll be covering the short portion, which will take the stock to immediately 550 to 580 or even 600 also. So this also we'll try to update in our next video, and also during market, we'll update this in our next video, and also we'll try to update this during market hours in our Telegram group. So if anyone is having any doubts, as usual, they can contact us. Thank you.